Hello, Daniel here, and welcome to another AutoFlex Connect settings tutorial video. Today I am going to be talking about growth curves. Growth curves are a great way to automate set point changes. As your animals get older, you will often want the target temperature in the room to decrease. A growth curve will automate that process, allowing you to automatically reduce the target temperature. I don't have any growth curves on this unit yet, so I'm going to go into the menu here and then to administration, then preferences, and then growth curves. Here we see I don't have any growth curves, so I'm going to hit new curve. Here is the growth curve setting page. So you can see we have 7 different steps. From days 1 all the way, this can go up to days 365 days. And then we also have our temperature set point setting as well. This type, we can do different types of growth curve. I'm just going to be doing a temperature one, but there are other options here that you can see. And then we just need to name it. So I will name it summer curve, and then as well, restart day, what day we want it to restart on. Again, if we set it to a restart day of 0, when it reaches the last day, it's going to just sit on the settings for that last day until we manually restart the growth curve. So for this, I'm just going to go ahead and enter in the information here. I'm just going to go ahead and adjust our temperatures here. And like normal, I will speed up the video here so you don't have to sit and wait while I make all of the adjustments. And there we go. So here I have my completed growth curve, and as you can see, it just gently goes down as the days go by and your animals get older and larger. The target set point temperature is reduced from 81.7 all the way down to 69 degrees. We will save. Settings have been saved successfully. And that is it. Now, if we were to go in to our growth curves menu here, we can see we have that summer curve, or we could go and we could make a new curve. We could make a winter curve or otherwise. And now this curve is available to assign to different outputs. That'll be it for today. See you guys in the next video.